decided to be a gardener
In apartment.
in apartment. Let's see what he's doing.
Nothing I'm doing.
He bought a compost and he bought two vases. These are the old ones and the old one here. So he has bought strawberry and tomatoes. So we're gonna have tomatoes and strawberry this year.
Rosemary and thyme.
And some basil and some parsley here are working. Also my husband bought today the reality orchid. Let's see. We buy it with yellow sticker. So this beautiful orchid that today was 10 euro. We bought it for 3 euros. This one is the same. I bought it cheap from Tesco, and also this one. Do you need any help? We used to have strawberry last year, but this plant didn't make any fruit of strawberry, and this one was tomato. It has so many tomatoes, cherry tomato. Do you want a scissor? I don't know. Candy has always lived in a village and never plant a flower or a vegetable in his life. But it's never
Of
less.
course I did.
What flower did you plant? What did you plant? Roses?
Yes. Watermelon.
Watermelon?
cucumber.
Really?
Yeah,
Did you
all
do
of
it
things,
in
yeah.
your land?
Yes, in my land back in Albania.
What else? Potatoes, carrots?
Potatoes, carrots, cucumber, potatoes, onions, and
Corn.
watermelon, another type of melon, you know.
I thought you just do farming, like farming with cattle, with sheep
No,
and,
but we have
and
a
chicken.
land,
I
so
didn't
we-
know that you were planting. I
Tomatoes,
thought just your mom did
Well,
the
Mom
garden.
also, yeah, she did. Well, I helped.
And we are using those that are from our baby. Hopefully, when Genti is 60 or 70 years old, we will have a house with a small garden, and he will do his own garden.
What?
Yeah, in a different country. He's joking.
Yeah.
So hopefully this year we're gonna eat some strawberry, organic strawberry, and Slavin loves strawberries. So
Slavin is our boy.
Slavin is our little toddler, our trouble too. Very good.
It's not.
Tell me what you did.
I just planted 6 strawberry and 4 tomatoes. Tomatoes that are nearly died. I just bought them from Lidl supermarket here in Ireland. So yeah, just gonna put a bit of water.
So these are cherry tomatoes
Oh,
and
so-
the organic strawberries. For us
There you go.
all, we're gonna eat all organic. Yes. Very good. I think keep one of these. I think
Leave
they are
them, leave
okay.
them there.
Leave this one. And this one change. Thank you.
That's all.
He's the best husband in the world. Weather in Ireland today is perfect. It's not raining. This is our perfect day every day. It's all grey, but we love Ireland like this. Tell us the price of the vase. How much was the vase? And tell us the price of the compost and the price of the strawberry and the tomatoes. How much were they?
Why you wanna know?
Just
So,
for people they know if
These
they want to
two
buy.
empty one, they were 50 euros, so 24, 25 each.
Ah.
So that's the most expensive. For 6 strawberries, they were €6, I think. So it's one.
Mhm.
For 4 tomatoes, was €3.
Mhm.
And the
The
compost
compost?
or the thing is, I think, was $4.95 for 40 liters.
Where did you buy it?
The Buddhist and the rest was in Lidl.